To evaluate the value of the unknown variable h, we are given the value of all of our other variables, d, e, f, and g. So we need to do two things to solve this question. We need to first substitute in all of our given values and then isolate the variable we are looking to solve for. In this case, h is already isolated for us, so we don't need to do step 2. All we need to do is substitute in our variables. Let's start by substituting in for d. We have 18 in our numerator over e minus f is 9 minus 3. And that is going to be plus d times f minus g. d times f minus g. 18 times 3 minus 1 over e minus g, which will be 9 minus 1. And now we can begin to simplify. Starting with our denominator over here, 9 minus 3 will give us 6. So we'll have 18 over 6. And then this is an even division problem. 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. Now moving on to the numerator on this side, we have in our parentheses first, following PEMDAS order, 3 minus 1 will give us 18 still on the outside. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then doing multiplication next, we have 18 times 2 will give us 36 over 9 minus 1 will give us 8. So altogether, in the end, we have 3 plus 36 over 8 is equal to h. Now you have a couple of options for what you could do here. You could, if you wanted to change this into an equivalent fraction with 8 in its denominator, you could add these two together to find your h value. Or you could divide 36 by 8 and change it into a decimal. And I'll show you how to do that now. 8 goes into 36 4 times. That will give us 32. When we subtract, we're left with 4. And 8 cannot go into 4, so we have to add a decimal and add a 0. Bring it down. 8 goes into 40 5 times evenly with no remainder, meaning that 4.5 is equivalent to 36 over 8. I'll write this over here. 3 plus 4.5 will give us h. 3 plus 4 will give us 7, plus 8.5 will make it 7.5 is equal to h, making A our correct answer.